Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we are going to learn GK and our topic is games that we play. So, now we will going to learn in detail what types of games we play. So, student, there are various type of games that we all around and we can play. So today we are going to learn a different types of game and their name. So here we can see a photograph of a games and there are two types of game. So let's start at what types of game we play. There are two types. First, indoor games and second, outdoor games. So, indoor games are these one we play inside the home. So, here we can see a various type of games we play inside of our house. So, here learn about indoor games. So, these are the carom, then snake and ladder game. Here we can see a photograph of carom and snake and ladder game. So these are the indoor games. So now next, here we can see a photograph of a chess and then ludo. So these are the indoor games. Both are the indoor games. So what types of game? These are the indoor games that we play inside our home. So, these is carom, snake and ladder. This is chess, also ludo, and next this is a table tennis. So, table tennis is also a indoor games. So we can play various type of games inside the house and outside the house. So these are the indoor games that we play inside the house. And next one, here we can see a second is outdoor games. So what are the outdoor games? The outdoor games that we play out our home. We play outdoor our home. This is cricket, hockey. Then we can see here football, badminton, and basketball. So these are the outdoor games that we can play out our house. So here we can see a indoor game and outdoor game. So now children, we are learn in detail that what types of games we play inside our house and we play outside our house. So first, here we can see a photograph of cricket and here we can see a ball and bat. So ball and bat is we can play in cricket. So cricket is a bat and ball game played on the oval grass fielded called the ground. So we can play cricket in ground. So in the middle is a narrow strip called the pitch. So cricket is we can play in a ground and it called pitch with a wooden wickets and either end. A cricket match is played between two teams of 11 players each. So in a cricket, two teams and play between two teams and in a player is 11 player playing in a cricket. So cricket is a outdoor team sport played with a bat and ball. So here we can see a photograph of cricket and cricket is a outdoor games and we can play with two teams and in a team member is 11. So players is in 11 and we can play with ball and bat. So children, you are learn about cricket. So now we will going to learn a next slide, that here we can see a ball and bat and then stump. So we can use ball, bat and stump in a cricket. So here we can see a photograph of cricket. Here one boy, two boy and girl playing cricket. So they are using ball and bat and also stump. So cricket is a outdoor games and cricket is a played on the our field. So we can play in a ground and it called pitch. In the center of the field is long rectangle area called the pitch, and it is a rectangle type and we call is pitch. The pitch is 22 yard long and 10 feet wide. So pitch is 22 yard long and 10 feet wide. A marker called a wicket is set in the ground to each end of the pitch. So each wicket is made up of 3 sticks called the stump. So here we can see a photograph of stump and in a 3 stick. So stump placed closely together. So here we can see a stump is placed closely together and then 2 small pieces of wood called blades. So here we can see a 2 small pieces of wood. So it called blades are the placed on the top of each wicket. So here we can see a ball, bat and also stump. So in a 2 teams of 11 players compare the cricket game or match. The team that score more runs or points win. Those team have more runs, they are win. So in a cricket we can see 11 players. We can play with a ball and bat and also stump, and also 11 players in the team and 2 teams. So children, everyone understand about the cricket. So now we will going to learn next slide. Here we can see a photograph of cricket players. So when a cricket match starts, there are 2 offensive players in the pitch. They carry bats and are called batsmen. So those who carry bats and it called batsmen. The batsmen stand opposite end of the pitch from the each other and one near each wicket. So one batsman the strike use his bat to hit the ball, and the batsman at the opposite wicket is called a non-striker. So here we can see a photograph of cricket player and that is called batsman, and batsman is hit the ball and also strike the ball. So children, everyone understand about this cricket game. So now we will also it called outdoor games. So cricket is a outdoor game. So now we will going to learn a next slide. What is this? Here we can see a photograph of table tennis. 2 boys are playing table tennis. Here also we can see 2 boys are playing table tennis. So table tennis is a indoor game. So table tennis, also known as a ping pong, is one of the most popular sport in the world with players in many countries. So the table tennis is a very popular game and it is also play with 2 players, and we can play also call is ping pong game. So here we can see a photograph of a 2 player, 2 table tennis player. So now we will going to learn next slide. Here we can see a ball and also bat. So to play this game, people use the bats and small Columbia's ball. Here we can see a bat and also ball, and you need also a net and table. So we can play table tennis on the table, and also we can use a net. So players in a table tennis match use bats to hit a small ball back and forth over the net set up across a wooden table. So these are the interesting game between two players, and also play on the table, and also a set over the net and across the wooden table. So children, everyone understand about this game. So now we will going to learn next slide. So what is this? Yes, here we can see a photograph of chess. So chess is a indoor game. In a chess we can see a play with these this on this table. So chess is board is name game for two players. The chess board is a game for two players, and it is played in a square board made up of 64 smaller squares with 8 squares on each side. So here we can see a chessboard is a square board and play two players, and square board is made of 64 smaller square 60 in a square board 64 smaller square and with 8 squares and on each side. So each player start with the 16 pieces, 8 pawns, 2 knights, 2 bishops and 2 rocks, 1 queen and 1 king. So in a chessboard we can see 8 pawns, 2 knights, 2 bishop, 2 rocks and 1 queen and 1 king. So the goal of the game is for each player to try a checkmate the king of the opponent. So here we can see a chess in a chessboard we can see a rocks, queen and king. So goal of the game is for the player try to checkmate to another team. So children's in a chess we can see two players play with in a 64 smaller square and also 8 squares on each side, and that they try to checkmate to another game player. So children's chess is a very interesting game, and it is also play in a indoor games we call in indoor games. So here we can see a black and white and also it called checkmates a treat a check to opposing king which no move can stop. It ends the game. Chess is popular and it's often played in competitions called chess tournaments. Tournaments we can call it chess tournament. So chess tournament is play with two players, and it is also enjoyed in many countries and the national hobby in Russia. So in a Russian people national hobby to playing chess. So children, chess is a very interesting game, and we can see here that two players play this game, and also the game aim is a checkmate to another player. So children, you have everyone understand about this chess game. Here we can see a chess board. It is a 64 smaller square. So here we can see a 64 smaller black, blue and white, and also it is in black and white square. So children, you all understand about the chess. So now we will going to learn next slide, next game. Here we can see a hockey. So hockey is a very interesting game, and also it is our national game. So in a hockey, this is a very fast moving game and exciting game. So hockey is a fast moving and exciting game, and it played between the two teams of 11 players. So in a hockey we can see 11 players and two teams, and also a fast moving game, and it is an exciting game is played between a two team of the 11 players, and it also play try to hit and push and pass or dribble a small hard ball into a opposing team and goal using the shaped stick. So we can see a J-shaped stick. We can see here a J-shaped alphabet J-shaped stick, and also it hit by a small ball and goal, and a team using the J-shaped stick to doing goal, and a field hockey team is made up of attackers and defenders and a goalkeeper. So in a hockey we can see attackers, defenders and goalkeeper. So hockey is a very fast and moving and also a exciting game. We can see here a photograph of hockey player, and also they are play with J-type, J-shaped stick. So children, now we can see another slide that here we can see also two players, two hockey players. Here we can see a photograph of two hockey players, and field hockey is well liked sport for both men and women. So here we can see man and woman both are the playing hockey, and it is a play in many countries all around the world. The game is played between the two teams, and each team is made up of 11 players, and in the 15 minutes quarters with the 15 minutes back, and half time 2 minutes after first and third period. So field hockey is a play with a ball and natural grass. So hockey play in a natural grass, or also in a playground, or on stand based or water based artificial turf with a small hard ball. So hockey play with a ball and J type of J shape stick. So now children, we are learn about next game, carom. So this is a very interesting game. Carom is a very interesting and indoor game. So this is we can play in a over inside the house. The carom is a play on the square polished plywood board with the sticker made of hard plastic and small uh, cultural wooden pieces called a carom. So carom is we can play carom in a square board, and also in a polished plywood. The basic objective of the carom is to use the striker with a flick of a finger to drive the carom man and into any of four corner pockets. So main aim is a flick the finger. So we can flick the finger and the try into the four corner pocket. So this is a very interesting game, and also we can play in also in a lockdown. So children, now we will learn about next slide. So here we can see a carom board. So carom consists of a carom board, 9 white dice, 9 black dice, and 1 red dice, and 1 acrylic dice. So here we can see a red, black, red, black, and white dice, and also acrylic dice. So here we can see acrylic dice. So these are the carom board and these are the dice. So the game of the carom is an interesting combination of pool and air hockey, but highly accessible as an indoor family game, being a compact and portable. So the game is believed to have a organized hunter of years ago. Although the praxis reasons where carom originated unknown, it is true that it was first played in either India or Asia. So, carom is a game that requires skill, practice, and the determination. So, carom is a game that we can require a skill and practice and also a determination. So, it can be played at the ages and the popularity is standing growing. So, carom is popular in children and youngster also. So, carom is a very interesting and also a indoor game. So, children's everyone learn and understand about this carom. So, now we will going to learn our next slide. What is this? This is a badminton. So, badminton is a very beautiful and interesting game. We can play in outdoor games, and we can call it also a outdoor game. So badminton is a sport for 2 or 4 people. So in a badminton we can play with 2 or 4 people. Here we can see this side 2 people and this side 2 people. So badminton is a sport for 2 or 4 people. In this way, the game consists of either one player against the one player. So, one player is against another player. So, or a team of 2 players against the another team of 2 players. So here we can see 2 players, another of 2 players, and the players use rackets to hit the shuttlecock over the net. So here we can see a racket used, and here we can see a shuttlecock used in a badminton. So children's badminton is a very interesting game, and it is play in a playground. So now we will going to learn next slide that the aim of the game is, here we can see a net, also a net and shutter. So the aim of the game is hit the shuttlecock over the net, and where that the other play or pair cannot hit it back properly before it hits the floor. So mostly aim the game of the aim is hit the shuttlecock and over the net, and every time this is done, the player or pair gets 1 point. So every time it will be done, and so player give the point. Player gets the points, and the winner of the really get to serve. And the first player or pair to reach 21 points win the game. So mostly the aim of the game is to push the shuttlecock and net over the player, and every time it will be done, so player will get a points, and 21 points is win the game. So children's everyone understand about this badminton game. So now we will going to learn a next slide, that is football. So here we can see a photograph of football, and football is a very interesting game. So here we can see a ball is a ball and foot, so it is a football. So football is a very popular sport that is played at high school, college and professional stadium. So football is a very popular and interesting sports, and it will play in high school, college, and professional stadium. So it involves a running, passing, and kicking and body contact. So football game is played between two teams of 11 players. So in a football we can play with two teams and 11 players, and also it will running, passing, kicking, and body contact game. A team score points by moving a ball across the other team's goal line. So passing, this is the passing game. So football is a very interesting and passing game. So now children, we are learn next slide that here we can see a photograph of football. So the name of the football comes from the two words foot and ball. So where is it come? It come from a two words foot and ball. It is a name football because the player of the game walk, run on the foot and while playing, and as the opposed to the polo and other games play on the horseback. So it is a player running on the foot and playing the game, and that's why it called football. The ball is often kicked with the foot, and but depending on the game, it can also be hit using other parts of the body. So, and the handling and the ball is a part of many other football variants. So, here we can see a photograph of football. So foot and ball it using in this game, and that's why it called football. So children, everyone understand about this football. So now we will going to learn a next game. And also football is also a outdoor games, and it play in a ground. So children, now we will learn about a next slide. What is the next game? So it is the basketball. So here we can see a basket and the ball, and so many children are play here. So basketball is a very interesting game, and it is also a outdoor games, and basket is a handball team usually play by two teams of 5 players. So in a basketball play by two teams and 5 players. The objective is get the ball through a hoop mounted high up and backboard at the each end, and it is a very popular sport worldwide. Play with a round orange ball that bounce. So here we can see a orange ball. So it is play with orange ball, and the game is a play between men's team or between a women's team. So basketball has been played in the Summer Olympic Games since 1936. So basketball is a very interesting game, and it is play with orange ball and basket. So here we can see a photograph of basketball, and it is a very interesting game and also a popular game. So children, now we are learn about next slide that basketball is a sport play by two teams of 5 players. So here we can see a orange ball and the basket, and also it hit the ball, and it is a play with two teams of 5 players and rectangle court. The objective is shoot a ball through the hoop, and that is 10 feet high and mounted to a backboard at each end. So children, the basketball is a sport played by two teams, and it is a 5 members of the player. So here we can see a basketball player. So children, hope you are learning about these different types of game and their name. So children, you all are enjoyed. Very good. Hope you are all learn and enjoy this lecture. So students, I will see you next time, and also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly. eat healthy food, stay home, and stay safe. So, thank you, students.